is our 3-axis mill area. We have gone ahead and labeled this area the green area, indicated by the green tape on the floor here. So what that means is any of the tools we use on a daily basis here has to be labeled with a green piece of tape. So if you come over and take a look, you can tell here that everything has green tape on it, indicating that it belongs to the 3-axis area. So if someone comes and grabs a file, walks away with it, they know to return it to the green area because of the green tape. If you come over here, so this area is where we hold everything we need to set up the 3-axis mills. So we have vacuum tables, and we have vices, and we have the jaws that they need for those individual setups. We realized that setting up the vices and the table takes the longest amount of time, so we streamlined the process by indicating places on this shelf for each individual part. So there's spots for mill, the vices, and the reusable soft jaws and the hard jaws, and even the vacuum table has its own spot. Before, everything was randomly assorted and didn't have its own spot, so it was really hard. It took a lot of time to figure out where everything was. And if you take a look on the top here, each bolt has its individual bin, so you can tell if you're missing bolts or if you need to replace them at all. Before we had a spot for everything, we had them randomly assorted in this blue bin, and it took forever to try and find the bolts that you needed for the particular set of jaws you were using. So we've gone ahead, gotten rid of the blue bin. Now the green bins, they're smaller, so you can only fit a certain amount of bolts in there, and each one has its own spot, so to just come and grab the vice clamp bolt if you need to, or anything like that. Really streamlines the process and makes things quicker and just more productive overall.